In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo to Upwork. Whether you're new to Upwork or just looking to update your profile, having a professional photo can make a great first impression on potential clients. So let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Upwork homepage. You can do this by typing upwork.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a lot of options, but don't worry, we're going to focus on your profile today. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a tab labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for any updates or changes you want to make to your profile, including your profile photo. Now, once you're on your profile page, you'll need to look for another smaller tab that says Your Profile. This is where you'll access all your profile settings, so click on that to open up your profile details. When your profile details page appears, you'll notice a pencil icon next to your name. This pencil icon is crucial as it represents the edit tool on Upwork. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to begin editing your profile information, including your photo. In this next step, you should see a couple of options relating to your current photo. You'll want to click on the option that says Change Image. If you don't currently have a photo uploaded, you might see an Upload button instead. Both options serve the same purpose of allowing you to add or change your profile picture. One key point to keep in mind is that Upwork has a minimum image size requirement. Your image should be at least 250 by 250 pixels. Keeping this in mind is important to ensure your image uploads correctly and looks good on the site. If your photo is smaller, you might need to resize it using any basic photo editing tool. Once you've taken care of the size, it's time to select your photo. Click on the Choose Photo option, which will open a dialog box where you can navigate through your computer files to find the picture you want to use. Select the file and then click Open in the dialog box to set it for upload. Finally, with your image ready to go, hit the Save Photo button. This will upload your selected image to your Upwork profile. Give it a moment to process, and soon your new profile photo will be displayed. Just like that, you've updated your Upwork photo. Remember, a clear professional photo helps to convey a sense of approachability and professionalism to your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.